My name's Ben and I'm from Total Tools in the Gold Coast. Total Tools is a major power tool company that supplies tools to all trades across Australia, and we have over 100 stores nationally. We chose solar to reduce our energy costs and minimise our carbon footprint.
My name's Corey. I'm the Operations Manager for Meridien Energy. Here at Total Tools, we have designed and installed a 78 kilowatt system, used 2 FIMER PVS-30 inverters, as well as 144 Astronergy panels.
FIMER have a fantastic quality products made in Europe. The 1033 range, this has been our latest and greatest release into the Australian market. Some of the features and benefits of this range include that you can oversize up to 145%, comes with a full 10-year warranty, and 4 MPP trackers. This allows for great versatility with design.
Since we installed it, even in winter, it's been performing really well, beating our performance estimates. To date, it's generated over 14 megawatt hours of power. We really like FIMER's monitoring solution, Aurora Vision, just an app that the clients can get on their phone.
It allows our customers to see what power they're generating and also what they're consuming as well.
And if there's any errors, lets us come out there and get it fixed up for them. We use the PVS-30 because it's really efficient, it's nice and reliable. As an installer, we don't want anything going wrong after we've left and everything's said and done.
We anticipate a saving of around $20,000 per year and an offset of 90 metric tonnes of CO2 from our carbon footprint.
We chose FIMER because they've got a great quality product and they've also got really great local support as well.
FIMER have a range of dedicated engineers who are CEC approved with their solar and battery tickets to support our customers for troubleshooting, for system design, for warranty claims, for any purpose. We're here to support our customers.